Good morning. My name is Pat Smiley, and I'm a member of Eastern Shore Votes. With Bob Smiley and Bob Toner, we're here at Nandua High School this morning. This is Friday, September 2nd, at their drive-through open house, helping people register to vote. This is a completely nonpartisan effort where we believe that the Eastern Shore should all be registered to vote and all Eastern Shore voters should vote. So if you're in need of registering, you can go to vote411.org and register online. Early voting is actually starting 2 weeks from today, September 17th, at the Accomack County Registrar's Office and also in Northampton County. We're giving out information about important voting dates for asking for mail-in ballots and phone numbers to the Registrar's Office. If you need anything, check out our Facebook page and the information there to help make sure that you're an Eastern Shore voter too. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.